Hello, our art friends. Today in Kiddy Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw Pandy Paws from Gabby's Dollhouse. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. First, draw a triangular shape for the ear and another smaller triangle in sides. Extend a small line and repeat the same step to make the other ear. Connect the two ears with a large square shape with rounded corners to make the face outline. Inside the face, draw a large circle for the eye. And a smaller one inside. Color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Draw a small heart shape in the middle to make the nose. Then draw the mouth. With the top of a heart shape inside for the tongue. Draw two whiskers coming out from each side of the face. Then decorate the face with an oval shape, intersecting the eyes. To draw Pandy's bag straps, draw two lines coming down from the bottom left part of the face, going diagonally to the right. Draw a cat's ear, connected to the end of the upper line. Draw a straight line coming down from the lower line. A small line at the bottom, another small line tilted upwards, then a straight line going up to finish the bag. Make a vertical line in the middle to define the corner of the bag. Decorate the bag with stripes. Draw a small line coming down from the bottom of the face, then a rounded arm connected to it. Finally, another small line going slightly upwards. Decorate the arm with a line to define the paw part. Then draw a part of the paw print that is facing upwards. Repeat the same steps to make the second arm. Draw a letter U intersecting the bag strap, connecting the two arms to make the belly. Decorate the belly with a circle that is partially hidden behind the bag strap as well. Draw a letter X to make the belly button. Draw two lines coming down from the belly to make the leg. Then finish it with the paw at the bottom. Decorate the leg with a line in the middle. Repeat the same steps to make the other leg. Draw the tail by making two wavy lines coming out from behind the bag, meeting to make a rounded tail end. Decorate the tail with a line near the end. Hug attack! Now you can draw Pandy, Gabby's kitten. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.